Now let us start working with our reducer. For that, I will be opening this pizza reducers.js. Reducer will be taking current state and action as its argument. So first, inside this reducer, I am going to create my initial state. I will write const. I will give the variable name as initial state, and state is nothing but it is an object inside which we can have properties and values. Initially, I am assuming in my pizza shop, I am having 1000 pizza base. So here I will write pizza base. For that, I will assign the value as 1000. Initially, I am having 1000 pizza base in my shop. Below this, I will be creating my reducer function, which will be taking current state and action as its argument. I will write state, for which I will assign the value as initial state, and this we are going to pass as default parameter. Then second, I will be writing action, and in my application I can have multiple action. So using switch statement, I will be searching for those actions. So here I will be writing switch, and inside this I will write action.type. By using this action.type, I will be able to access type property from my action. And here we have created arrow function. Here I will be passing arrow. Okay, successfully we have created our reducer function. Now inside this pizza application, I am having only one action creator, that is order pizza. But now I have to check for this type, and this constant I have already defined inside pizza types.js. So I'll come inside this pizza reducer. Above this, I'm just going to import my order pizza. I will write import order pizza from pizza types. Here I will write case. Case is order pizza. If my case is order pizza, that is, if my action type is order pizza, then what I will do, I will write here return. I'm just going to return next updated state. And currently in my state, I am having only one property. But maybe I will be adding multiple properties in future. So first thing, I'm just going to copy my entire state. Then from that state, I just want to update my pizza base property. So here I will write pizza base. From my state is nothing but object. Now from my state, I'm going to access pizza base, and each and every time when the customer orders, I just want to reduce the pizza by 1. Okay, this is my order pizza type. If this is matching, then I'm just reducing the pizza base by 1. If no case is matching, I will be writing default, and here simply I'm just going to return my current state. Whatever state I am having, I just want to return that state. This reducer we are going to use inside our store. Again, what we have to do, we have to export this reducer. So directly you can write export default here, or simply below this reducer, I will write export default reducer. Why? Because this reducer I will be using in other files. So that is the reason I have written export default reducer. But in this application, we are going to build for pizza and burger. So instead of only writing reducer, I will give the name as pizza reducer. While exporting, I will just paste here pizza reducer, and I will just make it as capital R. Whatever names you want, you can easily give, but this is how we are going to create a reducer in our application. Reducer will be taking initial state and action. So that is the reason first I have created initial state, and using this action.type, I have to return my next updated object. So first I have imported my type, and here I am checking if type is order pizza, then simply reduce the pizza base by 1. Finally, if no case is getting matched, I'm just returning this default state. And this pizza reducer I have to use inside my store. So that is the reason I am doing default export of pizza reducer function.